G'day, this is Mike Olden, 404-379-7352, looking to share with you how to remove and replace the springs on the back of your lawn care box truck or open lawn care body. The way that you would do a removal process is to affix a tie-off at the top of the gate to take pressure off as you pull out the main spring and lock. I would go ahead and leave the fasteners on the side and the back of the body, and then take a look at what we have down here. The spring assembly itself is basically a rod and pin with two springs and a sleeve harness. And what we're going to do is go ahead with the least amount of pressure on the spring is when it's in the folded up position, and take a chisel point to go ahead and tap this gently out, and as it comes forward you'll have it release this first spring, which will be pressing up on the ramp gate itself. You'll come through the secondary sleeve, the third sleeve, and then finally out of the primary sleeve on the outside. This takes the pressure off of the springs fully, and we'll do a little bit of a lift up on the gate itself, which is why I would again secure it off using a forklift or another device with which to take that vertical pressure. Once you have it removed from the bottom pins, go ahead and release the sides. That way it can be safely pulled away. Either, again, if you're going to replace the springs, insert a new spring by lifting it up and then repeat the process backwards, or if you're removing the gate, go ahead and take the gate and store it, because this resale value will be retained for when you do decide to go ahead and relieve this truck from your fleet. Again, Mike Olden, 404-379-7352. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to working with you on your next truck.